Hey folks, welcome to the M Hotel in Singapore. Let's have a quick room tour and see what it's actually like. So this is the bathroom in here. So you've got reasonable sized bath, toilet, water closet, whatever you call it, shower here. You've got reasonable toiletries in here of shampoo, conditioner and bath gel. And then you've got a selection of other toiletries in there, so toothbrushes and other shower caps and stuff like that. Not a bad little setup. Really like the fluffy towels, really good quality linen. You've got a linen cupboard in here as you first come in, a safe, which is good. You've also got an iron and a ironing board. So you've got a storage area here for your bag. This room actually has two single beds. But you know, it's a king single, so adequate space. You've got good storage here. You've got a bar fridge in here. Didn't come with anything. It does come with bottled water every day, so 2 bottles. You've got a TV, but here's one of the highlights of the room. This, you know, if you're here on business, and this hotel is probably more a business hotel, being downtown in Singapore. You've got this great workstation here to operate from, so really good, nice comfy chair, and just a quick look out the window. You can see the view out over to the Singapore Strait. You can see a lot of cars down there, obviously down there, and it's a freeway just in front of us. So yeah, not a bad looking room, reasonable size, and you know, it's pretty good. Thanks for watching. Swimming pool at the M Hotel. You got 2 spas over there as well. Sorry. And up in here, you'll see the gym. So you got a few treadmills and stuff in there, and weights and stuff like that. Not sure which hotel's down there, but have a look at that for a pool complex. Got like a rain shadow down there on the left hand side, but quite a magnificent big pool area.